Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by inspecting the loop and its intent. Is it iterating a known range or waiting for input? Once done, add a clear stop condition such as a counter limit or a sentinel value, and place a simple break statement where you want immediate exit. You should run a tiny test case now to confirm the loop enters and reaches that point. Make sure to keep the example minimal so you can see behavior, then move on to implementing the fail-safe mechanisms. You now add the control structures that enforce stopping. Include a max iteration counter inside the loop and increment it each iteration. If it exceeds your limit, call break or raise a custom exception. For I/O or long operations, add a timeout check using timestamps and break when elapsed time exceeds limit. For nested loops, set a flag or raise an exception to bubble up. Once the flag is checked at each level, it cleanly terminates. Make sure to test varied inputs and edge cases. You finish by refactoring the stop logic into clear guard clauses and helper functions so the loop's exit criteria are obvious. Once done, write unit tests that simulate normal completion, early exit, and timeout to ensure behavior matches intent. If the loop still hangs, add logging at key points and run the minimal reproducible case while watching logs. This will reveal where the condition never becomes true. One key troubleshooting tip: verify state mutations happen.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.